She did not come today. She did not come today. Ye teyazze leero. Ye teyazze leero. What is the day today? What is the day today? Leero lunaku ki? Leero lunaku ki? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Leero lwakubiri. Leero lwakubiri. So if it was today is Wednesday, leero lwakusatu. We looked at days of the week in English and Luganda. Refer to the video above. Days of the week in Luganda. Benny 2178. Today is Tuesday. We say leero lwakubiri. How do you start your day? How do you start your day? Otandika otya olunaku lwo? Otandika otya olunaku lwo? I love every day. I love every day. Nze njagala buli lunaku. Nze njagala buli lunaku. Don't waste your day. Don't waste your day. Toyonoona lunaku lwo. Toyonoona lunaku lwo. The day is good. The day is good. Olunaku lulungi. Olunaku lulungi. I forgot the day. I forgot the day. Neerabira olunaku. Neerabira olunaku. It is a bright day. It is a bright day. Olunaku lutangaala. Olunaku lutangaala. Work every day. Work every day. Kola buli lunaku. Kola buli lunaku. Thank you very much for learning.